both the sides take the field, and it's time for the big one between. And if Rangdajied win this, they are clear. To the left-hand side, they're usually more dominant on the right. As Kongsdam, who's lucky is on the pitch, cuts inside. It's a good delivery in, and it's 1-0, and Rangdajied United take the lead with their beautiful football as always. And what a ball in from Kongsdam, who plays it to Nengnong. And how about that for a leap and a header for not the biggest man on the pitch. It's a goal to the good for Rangdajied United. Just in the middle of this first half, when it seems like things could go either way, it goes the yellow. Nice ball through. And he's very pacey. There's Nengnong. Already has one goal. Can he get it into an assist as well? But very good defending. I think it was Rajesh. Get the second goal of this game. But Rangdajied may just get their second. Here's Kongsdam. Turns back in. Another cross and another block means Ken Pynbam and Rangdajied set up something special with this corner. Will we go into the break with the same scoreline? Well, he has something up his sleeve. Here's Pynbam, good delivery in and the flick on, and it's 2-0, and Rangdajied United, the set piece specialists, have taken the lead and now doubled it, all within the space of 45 minutes. Pynbam again with the delivery, and what a header from Bina, but there was no one marking him. And Mulait United have been very disappointing when it comes to defending these balls into the box. An unmarked header. Rung doesn't react quick enough, neither do the defenders. It and misses, and there's a bit of a mess between goalkeeper and defender. Rangdajied still have it, and a couple of challenges mean that Mulait United get themselves out of jail, only for Pynbam to score another blinder. The captain comes to the party, and it's 3 goals to the good for Rangdajied United, and the semi-finals are definitely in sight now. Poor clearance straight to Pynbam, touch and boom. No chance for Rung. And Rangdajied United know that that could be that. The second goal for the skipper in the space of 5. Latolabo will be kicking themselves because they're the only side who have given Rangdajied a fight. Here's Pynbam again, and he scored another one. Outside the box is a speciality for Pynbam, and the skipper gets 2 within the space of a few minutes, and Bonaventure Rung has no answers because Pynbam's technique is so good that all he can do is, well, try to get there but fail. Get a little higher up the table, get some more points. Here is Rangdajied. Good save by Rung. And on the rebound, could be number 5, and it finally is. Nengnong, who started the game with a lovely header, eventually finds the back of the net for his second after Denzel sets him up, and that's a good finish into the bottom left because there's a keeper and the defender on the line, and it's a 5-star performance from Rangdajied. A few other teams have done well too. In Shillong, Mulait and Langsing getting 19 and 24, and this could be another for Rangdajied. That'll be a foul. Will that be a penalty though? Nengnong on a hat-trick, and Leshes Sajai will, and this one doesn't matter as much. but they've made a habit of these last man challenges, and he knew it as he did it. Here's Buam for the hat trick, and for number 6 for Rangdajied United. And it's Buam just over the top, and then the first goal. Nice leap and a brilliant finish from Neng Nong on the end of a cross from Kongsdam to make it 1-0. And looks like they were going into the halftime break with that 1-0 lead. But at the stroke of the break, Buam put in a sensational ball for Bina, who wasn't going to miss that. And Buam picking up 2 assists and 2 goals, let's not forget. What a game for the captain. This was his first, which was fed straight to him by one of the opposition defenders. It's a big chance again later on for the rest of them. Buam also got a second. Kurba came close. And then Neng Nong got his second as well, and Rangdajied's fifth. Red card for Lecious.